Hi friends, welcome back to Summer Hill. In today's video, I thought we would do something fun. We are going to look at the 2025 paint predictions by the experts. These are companies like Sherwin Williams, Benjamin Moore, Behr, and so on. So we're going to start with Sherwin Williams. And the reason why is because this year they introduce a forecast of colors. They normally only do one color, but this year they chose to do a whole forecast of colors. And I thought they all were very nice. So they have a little for everyone. They have some browns, some blues, yellow called Chartreuse. The brown is called Grounded, and Sun Bleached was a really pretty color that I felt like was poised right in between warm and cool. And then there was Mauve Finery. For those of you who remember mauve, it seems to be wanting to make an entrance the last couple of years. So I guess mauve is becoming a color people are interested in. This one is kind of a muted purple color. So very pretty. I would definitely go check that out. I'll put a link in my description to my blog post where I've written about all these colors, and I feature what each color looks like. So you can kind of look at them yourself and consider them for your decor. Now the next one is Benjamin Moore's Cinnamon Slate, and I felt like this was a great color that you could do with DIY projects. It would be pretty on a door. It would even be pretty in a whole house with trim. If you paint your trim and you want a color that's neutral, it'd be a great color there. I think it would be pretty on cabinets if you want a brownish colored cabinets, because it has a very soft look to it. So definitely check out Cinnamon Slate. Okay, next I want to talk about Glidden, because their color is purple basil, and the common thread I kept seeing was purple. A little bit of purple in this color, or a little bit of purple, or just purple basil. Anyways, it's a beautiful purple tone. It's on the deeper side. If you love purple, I think this would be a good color to paint, because it is not super bright. It's very moody and very deep and dramatic. So if you can live with darker colors and you love purple, check this one out. Some places I think this would be pretty in is a half bath. I think dark colors in half baths are sometimes very dramatic and pretty, so I would check that out. It would be pretty in a bedroom that gets a lot of natural light. I'm a big proponent of spaces not being dark and depressing, unless it's a media room or like a band room, something like that. The next color I want to talk about is Behr's color of the year, and that is Rumor, and it is deep and dark. Can you remember back to the jewel tone era where we were all into burgundies on our bathroom walls or accent walls? Well, I think this is bringing from that time period, and I think it's bringing a modern look to it. So it's a definite nice, deep, dramatic color to check out. So if you like deep dramatic colors and you want kind of a burgundy brown, that's what I'm seeing in it, a burgundy brown, this would be a pretty one to consider. Places I would paint it, definitely in a dining room. I would paint it on accent walls. If you want a deep burgundy color on trim, you can do that. That was real popular back in the 90s, and I am seeing a few people do that lately, so maybe it's coming back. I don't know. So consider Rumor. The next color is another Sherwin Williams. This one's HGTV at Lowe's. And I wanted to include it because so many people don't realize you can buy Sherwin Williams paint at Lowe's. I'll put a link in the description so you could check it out, because you can order your paint, and talk about making life easier. Order your paint. It can either be delivered or you can pick it up at Lowe's, and it will make your DIY project so much easier. So their color of the year is Quietude, and this one was like way off from the others so far, but I thought it would be a fantastic color if you like those blue-green tones, a little bit leaning more on the green. If you like the more peaceful, calming effect of a green color, this would be one to check out, and it would be beautiful in coastal homes. So be sure to check this one out. Okay, the next color is Hammered Black by Krylon. And I chose this one because a lot of people spray paint furniture. It's so much easier, so much faster. And I wanted to introduce you to this black color because it is a fantastic black color. It has a softer appearance. It's not jet black, so it's a more soothing black appearance, and it's classic and timeless. So definitely go check out Krylon's color of the year, Hammered Black. Okay, next is Dunn Edwards. And for those of you who know Dunn Edwards and love them, this is a very pretty and soft color. It's called Caramelize. I can see this in a kitchen. I mean, the name says it all. It's just yummy. It's very soft. It's very pleasant and yummy. So definitely go check out Caramelize by Dunn Edwards if you're looking for a warm, toasty, terracotta brown color. Next is probably one of my favorites, and that is Dutch Boys Color Mapped Blue. I'm a fan of blue, so when I saw this one, I was instantly in love. I think this color would be a classic, fun color to paint your front door, to paint a piece of furniture, cabinetry. I mean, I just love blue. So I'm kind of sold on this one, and I'm actually thinking about trying it out this year. So be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you get a message, a notification when my next video comes out, because you may see this color this year. Okay, next is Valspar Encore. And as much as I love blue, I did not love this one for painting my house. However, this is a great color if you love nautical design. I just feel like it has a nautical feel to it. I feel like it has a little bit of a country feel to it. So if you like country designs, this could work easily into your home. Places I would paint this, I think it would be fun in a boys' room, especially if you're doing a nautical theme, a patriotic theme, anything like that. Even a Ralph Lauren theme. Vintage Ralph Lauren is really trendy this year, so I could see this in that space. I just think it's a great color if you are into a brighter blue, a stronger blue. This one would be a good one for you. Okay, so last I want to talk about this Pantone color, because where do a lot of the fashion designers and interior designers and color experts get these ideas, right? They get it from Pantone. Pantone is a team of people that pick a color and a series of colors that will kind of be a starting point for fashion designers, interior designers, and other people who have clients or people who want trendy things. So their color of the year is Mocha Mousse. And you can definitely see how this was the kind of the base for all the colors we're looking at. Because if there's a one thing that I saw that was a common element amongst all the designs, it was that they're all muted. They're all muted, and there's color. We are definitely in the era of color. People want color in their house. They don't want an all-white house anymore. Does that mean an all-white house is not okay? No. I love light colors. The whiter and the lighter, the better. I feel happy in a home that way. And I tell my clients all the time, there's a difference in between what you like and what you can live with. And I say that because there are many people who can't live with certain colors or who can't live with dark rooms and those kinds of things. So if you get joy out of living in an all-white house, then you are in style, I think. But this is just kind of a fun way to look at what is out there, what is trending, and if there might be something for you. So I hope you had fun looking at the trending colors that experts think we are going to be doing in 2025. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.